I'm a mother, teacher, guide, and a friend, and these are my life lessons. I'm Dr. Neeti Kaushik, and welcome to my channel Nitty Gritty with Dr. Neeti Kaushik.
Hi, very good morning. Yeah, today it's morning. Generally, I record it in the evening, but today it's morning. In the morning, when I woke up, I did not feel like going to my school today. I didn't feel like going to my work today, and I was just wondering, I was feeling very empty. Uh, the friend of mine I called and I told her today I'll not come, and she asked me what happened. I said, I don't know, I'm feeling very empty. And then I sat down. She just told me, okay, you do one thing, you do something which is creative, something which is different, and probably that will add on to the energies, and probably that would lit the fire, that would lit the charm or motivation to do. And then I kept thinking that yes, in our own daily situations, there's something or the other. There are so many emotions, there are so many feelings, there are so many things which come back to us where we don't realize why are these things happening to us. There's so many thoughts, there are these kinds of thoughts and these kinds of feelings. It's like a stuck energy. Actually, when you say stuck energy, so you don't realize why is it so happening, but you try and understand. Yes, there is a kind of feeling. You may have a feeling of shame, you may have a feeling of sadness, you may have a feeling of loneliness, you may have a feeling of stress, you may have a feeling of anxiety. They are very well defined, and we understand the differences between them, but we do not know that what is it that is required to be done. So I thought, okay, fine. So, one, I'll come out of my emptiness today and I'll do this in the morning, and after doing this only, I'll go to my workplace. So, feeling of emptiness tells you that you have to be creative. You need to do something creative. It's not that every time you have to create a video, but yes, you can do anything creative. It could be related to decorating the salad, or doing up your room, or doing up a space for yourself. Something creative which you are, or writing a couplet, or writing something which probably resonates well with you. So try doing something differently. That's where your feeling of emptiness will go, and believe you me, it works. So now I move to the another aspect, which is sadness. Often when we are very sad, we really don't know. We don't feel like talking to anybody. We are sad. Our body is telling us, our feelings are telling us, you need to cry. So if you will cry, बहुत बार होता है ना कि कोई छोटी सी बात पे हम बहुत नाराज़ होते हैं, हम बहुत दुखी होते हैं, हम बहुत परेशान होते हैं, उदास होते हैं, और जब हम बहुत उदास होते हैं हमें समझ नहीं आता कुछ भी। हम एनी मूवी का पार्ट वी आर वॉचिंग, एनी सीरियल वी आर वॉचिंग, और एनीथिंग वी आर रीडिंग, और एनीबडी हु स्पीकिंग समथिंग, इट रेजोनेट्स so much so that tears well in our eyes, but they don't come out. I'll always suggest, whenever you are sad, cry your heart out. किसी के सामने नहीं रोना, मत रो, दरवाजा बंद करो, अकेले बैठो, रो लो, दिल भर के रो लो, गुबार निकालो. लेट द चैनल बी क्लीन इन यू. आप एक बार रोगे, दो बार रोगे, बार बार तो नहीं रोगे ना. तो जस्ट फिनिश इट ऑफ वंस एंड फॉर ऑल. Then I move to another important thing, third, which is loneliness. Many a times this is a very very common problem, especially when we feel that the connection is not possible, we are not able to meet anybody, we are not able to connect with anybody. That loneliness is there. This loneliness will only come when we are falling loss of connections, especially nowadays, especially during the lockdown, especially the time when you feel that अभी किसी से मिल नहीं सकते, कहीं जा नहीं सकते, कितना खाली खाली लग रहा है, कितना lonely लग रहा है. How long will you keep connecting with your family members? How long will you keep discussing the things with your family members? So that's what happens. So best is connection. So how do we do it? मैं क्या करती हूँ? I'll tell you. I just pick up the car. I just go call up my friend and tell her, मुझे चाय पिला दे, मैं आधा घंटा तेरे साथ बैठना चाहती हूँ. I'll just go, I'll sit with her, and I'll listen to her, and I'll speak. And that half an hour becomes 2 hours. Yesterday I was watching a video by another Instagram. I follow him, and a friend of his came over just for half an hour, and he says कि अब सुबह के 4 बज गए और अभी भी हम बातें कर रहे हैं. So I was like, okay, so that's where the loneliness gets resolved and dissolved, when we have a company with us, we have a connection with us. So please ensure that kind of a connection is there with you. Now I move to the next thing, which is shame. Sometimes shame. Okay, so sometimes we do blunders in our life. हमसे गलतियाँ हो जाती हैं. We need to understand. हर इंसान से गलती होती है. We are also human being. We also tend to do something wrong. So what is the way out? What is it that the feelings are telling you to do? They're telling you to need, you need some self-compassion. You need to tell yourself it is okay to make mistakes. After all, you're a human being, right? गलती करेंगे तभी तो आगे सीख के बढ़ेंगे ना. So you have to forgive yourself. Your feelings tell you forgive yourself and move on ahead. Tell yourself that you've done wrong. It's okay. Accept it. Just accept it. There's another video which I created for how can we accept those particular points. If you go back to that video, you will probably realize how are the various channels through which we can accept. I think that was the video before last two, the second last one which I created before Jupiter. So you can check on that. So there are so many ways in which I have told that the ways we can get over the shame. Okay, then comes resentment. You know, हम किसी को देखते हैं, परेशान होते हैं, देख के हमें लगता है कि हमसे नहीं कुछ हो रहा. मतलब आई एम नॉट एबल टू टॉलरेट द पर्सन, आई एम नॉट एबल टू टॉलरेट द पर्सन जस्ट बिकॉज देयर सो मच ऑफ अ रिजेंटमेंट इन मी. सो व्हाट वी स्टार्ट डूइंग इज वी स्टार्ट अवॉइडिंग द पर्सन, वी स्टार्ट कमिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द पर्सन, वी स्टार्ट लिटरली हम नज़रें चुरा के दूसरी तरफ से चले जाते हैं, या हमें पता चलता है दैट फला पर्सन इज कमिंग, हम सामने ही नहीं करना चाहते, हम आना ही नहीं चाहते. सो दिस इज रिजेंटमेंट. दैट मीन्स यू हैव स्टिल नॉट फॉरगिवन समबडी. Resentment will only go when you forgive somebody, and I know it is difficult to forgive somebody, but what will you do is after forgiving is that you are clearing your own self, you are clearing that channel of energy in your own self. And also आप उसको माफ़ नहीं करोगे, आप अपने आप को करोगे. Reason being, आप अपने सेल्स को परेशान कर रहे हो, आप अपनी बॉडी को परेशान कर रहे हो. You are telling your own self that मैं उसको माफ़ नहीं कर सकता. That means inside you are not ready to do that. Forgive, because the more you forgive somebody, the more you forgive your own self. Forgive your own self for creating that kind of a problem in your life because of which that thing happened. You allowed somebody to trouble you, right? You allowed somebody to take an advantage of you. You allowed somebody to do that, and not only allowed, you also learned a lesson through it. So what was the kind of lesson that you learned? ये सोचो और उसके बाद forgive करो, अपनी ज़िंदगी में आगे चलो. Because past में अगर बैठे रह जाओगे ना, so what I always tell everybody is then we are sitting there only, then we are not moving ahead in life, and stuck energies are always difficult to take care of. Now I move to another thing which is anger. अक्सर मैंने देखा है especially lockdown के time में people get very very angry, very very angry. When we are getting angry, we need to understand our feelings are telling us that we have to check our boundaries. We have allowed somebody to take an advantage. We have allowed not somebody but many people. गुस्सा होगा ऑफिस का, निकालेंगे हम बच्चों पे. गुस्सा होगा हस्बैंड वाइफ का, निकलेगा बच्चों पे. गुस्सा होगा किसी और काम वर्क प्लेस की चीज़ का, दैट एंगर विल कम आउट ऑन द वन वेयर यू डोंट हैव अ कंट्रोल. दैट मीन्स यू हैव नथिंग टू डू. उसी पे ही गुस्सा निकालोगे ना, जो आपको आगे रिबट नहीं कर सकता, आपको आगे से जवाब नहीं दे सकता, आपको आगे से कुछ बोल नहीं सकता. तो वाई? सो व्हाट डज इट शो? इट शोज दैट यू हैव टू क्रिएट योर बाउंड्रीज. अगर ऑफिस की कोई चीज़ है, सो जस्ट क्रिएट योर बाउंड्रीज एज टू यू शुड बी वेरी क्लियरली, लाइक when a teacher starts teaching, you know, right? So she tells in the class, the first thing is that okay, these are my class rules, these are my class norms, so we will follow that. Say for example, if you have to go out, you'll raise your hand. When I'm asking a question, you will raise your hand and then you will be answering. Or there are so many other rules which a class teacher says. Now suppose, you know, she enters the class and everybody is raising the hand, everybody starts speaking, everybody starts talking, so she'll get very angry, and out of anger she'll just throw the books on the table, and then she'll yell, shut up, keep quiet, stuff like this, right? So that means what? She's not created the boundaries. She has not told the children that these are norms. She has not told anybody else. The same happens in the family, the same happens in our environment. Create those clear norms, create those clear boundaries, which is going to help you so much. क्योंकि किसी को पता होगा कि हमने इससे ज़्यादा आगे कुछ कहना नहीं है, कहा तो बम ब्लास्ट हो सकता है, राइट? जैसे घर में हर किसी को पता होता है कि अगर मम्मी से हमने इससे ज़्यादा कुछ कहा तो भूकंप आ जाएगा, राइट? मेरे घर में सबको मालूम है कि मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ और उस टाइम पे अगर कोई चला आएगा तो अच्छी खासी सुनेगा. सो दे अंडरस्टैंड. इवन मतलब दे आर सो स्केयर्ड दैट माई मेड ऑल्सो डजंट इवन नॉक द डोर. शी विल स्टे आउटसाइड ओनली वेटिंग फॉर मी टू कंप्लीट द रिकॉर्डिंग, एंड देन व्हेन आई ओपन द डोर she'll come inside. So same happens with my son, same happens with my daughter-in-law, everybody. So they all understand that. So these are the boundaries. This small little example I have given you, one for teachers and one for this. So please try it, because this is where it is going to help you in taking care of your anger. Now I move to the next thing, which is anxiety. Now when I say anxiety, हम बहुत anxious बहुत सारी चीज़ों को लेके हो जाते हैं. Too much of a work pressure, too much of a things, when we start getting anxiety, then we don't know what to do. उसका एक ही ऑप्शन है, सब कुछ रखो अंदर उठा के टेबल पे, काम को रखो बंद, कंप्यूटर करो बंद, go out, take a long walk. That is the only thing which is going to take care of your anxiety. Your feelings tell you you need to take a long walk then, right? Now coming to last but not the least is stress. So when stress happens, what is it that the feelings are telling you? The feelings are telling you that you have too much on your plate. Take one step at a time. So whenever we are stressful for so many things, there are commitments to be taken care of, there are work pressures to be taken care of, and we really get stressed. The children, when they have an exam, they are so stressed because all of a sudden they realize that two days from now is the exam and they have not even revised, they have not even taken care of all the chapters. So what is the way out of stress? What do feelings tell you? How do you clear that energy? So the way you clear your energy for stress is take one thing at a time. If there's a presentation, make one slide, then the next, then the next. If you have an examination and there are 3 chapters coming and you just have 2 days more in front of you, take up one chapter, do it thoroughly. Take the second chapter, do it thoroughly, leave the third one. It's okay, because whatever you are doing thoroughly, you will score 100% on that, right? But wherever you are jumbled up with doing everything, so jack of all trades, master of none, that's how it so happens. So take up one aspect at a time, complete that, and then move on to the next, then the next, and then the next. कहते हैं ना, बूंद बूंद से तो घड़ा भी भर जाता है. पूरी रात अगर एक एक बूंद डलती गई, सुबह घड़ा भरा हुआ मिलेगा, isn't it? So take that. So this was all about today. I know it was impromptu. I never thought of creating this video, but I felt that feelings say so much to us and we need to listen to those feelings. So thank you so very much. Thanks for getting connected. I am feeling very rejuvenated. I am getting ready now and I am going to my workplace. Thanks a lot, and दिल से जान से जो इतने प्यारे प्यारे कमेंट्स आप लिखते हो, उससे मेरा दिन नहीं, मेरे बहुत सारे दिन बन जाते हैं और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि शायद मैं बहुत लोगों को कनेक्ट कर पा रही हूँ. सो humble thanks and gratitude to Almighty, जिसने मुझे इस रास्ते में एक नया, एक पगडंडी वाला रास्ता और दिखाया. Thank you. God bless. Stay blessed, stay abundant. God bless. Love you all.